Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
okay, everyone. Today we, from group 2, we will present about personalized English learning with AI. So in this presentation, there will be three speakers. First, me as a moderator and speaker one. The second one is Cici Rasiana as speaker two. And the last speaker is Dika as a speaker three. So we will explain about personalized English learning with AI. So the first material will be delivered by me. Okay, the first one is about definition and concept. Okay, so what is the concept of personalization in AI? Uh, In AI, we have to give adaptive learning or personalized learning in an educational approach that use artificial intelligence to create a customized learning experience for individual students. So in English learning, we have to apply artificial intelligence for give skills to our students. And then adaptive learning also give a lot of ability to students to improve their skills. Okay. The next one is about how it works in personalized English learning with AI. So, yeah, sebelumnya. Okay. I give for I give four concept about how it works AI in personalized uh, education. The first one is data collection. This is something like system tracks various data points, their students correct and incorrect answer. So we as a teacher, we have to give assessment to the student and give providing data comprehensive in a picture, in a video, and a lot of elements of the learning progress. And the second one is real-time analyze. So the real-time analyze is like algorithm instantly process the collect data to identify patterns. For example, the system can determine if a student is struggling with a specific concept and it moves to advanced material, or it would benefit from a different type of explanation. And the next one is dynamic adaptation. So the dynamic adaptation, I give four concept more about dynamic adaptation. The first one is content and sequencing. It means that skipping over material student has or already mastered or providing additional research and practice to the student, and they can give problem solving for the topics they're struggling with. The next one is difficulty and adjustment. It means that a student can increase the difficulties of question of a student, and a student can perform well. The third is feedback and tutoring. It means that a student can providing immediate personalized feedback and offering a virtual tutor and can guide the student through complex problems. And the last one is multimedia. Multimedia is really important for students in learning process because with multimedia, we as a teacher can give a lot of elements in learning process such as text, video, picture, and a lot of design. So it can give a lot of skill ability to the students. So that's all from me. The definition and concept and how it works, personalized English learning with AI. So the next material it's about personalization of writing activities with AI that will be delivered by Cici Rasiana. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks, Ifta. I will explain about personalization of writing of reading activities with AI. According to survey rate in 25, AI can support in reading comprehension to improvement student engagement and self-regulated learning behaviors such as goal setting, monitoring, and reflection. For example, one application that use AI is Readability Tutor. These tools listen while students read aloud, gives real pronunciation feedback on pronunciation, highlight difficult words, and then ask comprehension question based on the text. Next slide, please. Support learners in reading by giving real-time correction for mispronounced word. The second one is offering follow-up question to strengthen comprehension, and the last one is highlighting new vocabulary in context. And then the challenges of reading activities with AI is speech recognition may struggle with accent or unclear pronunciation. And the second one is reading materials may not always match cultural background. Uh, and now let's look at how this work in practice. A classroom case study in Pennsylvania reported that after 3 months of using readability regularly, to grade students increased their reading fluency by over 40%, that show how personalized reading support can make a real difference. Next slide, please. And next, I will explain about personalization of writing activities with AI. According to Song et al. In 23, AI can help students improve their academic writing skills and motivation by giving them personalized feedback during the editing process. For example, one tool that uses AI is Grammarly. It doesn't just correct grammar, it also suggests better vocabulary choice, and then improves sentence clarity and helps learner organize their ideas more effectively. Next slide, please. Uh, these tools support learners in writing by uh, providing real-time correction, improve motivation to reply essay, and the third is build confidence in writing. Limitation or challenges is that learner may become too dependent on the AI suggestion, which could reduce their originality or personal writing style. Now let's look at how this work in practice in a study with EFL students. Learners report that after using Grammarly, they feel more confident in revising their essay on their on on their own. They could actually see their progress from one person to the next, which motivated them to keep improving. Next slide. Uh, this is an example of reading and writing from my explanation. Thank you. I will giving back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Cheesy, as a speaker too. Thank you for explaining about personalization of writing and reading activities with AI. So we will continue to the next material about explaining how AI personalized listening and speaking activities that will be delivered by Dika. Time is yours.
Okay, my name is Adika Hairul Arifin, and I will begin with explaining how AI personalized listening and speaking activities. So, according to Ahyaruddin and Jamilah, 2025, AI tools such as voice-based chatbot, automated speech recognition system, and interactive learning platform have been proven to enhance speaking skill by providing real-time feedback and creating more engaging learning environment. AI can simulate realistic speaking scenarios, which can improve pronunciation, vocabulary, and communication strategy in ways that traditional methods may not. For example, one application that uses AI is AI-based instructional tasks. According to Han 2020 and Kim 2021, AI chatbots enhance student emotional engagement and speaking abilities by providing interactive practice and personalized feedback. Zhou at 2023 also found that AI chatbots significantly boost speaking proficiency through social interaction on digital platforms. Additionally, AI-based tools offer benefits beyond traditional methods, such as improving pronunciation and reading fluency. This tool supports learner in building grammatical accuracy, sentence complexity, pronunciation, and vocabulary usage. AI also provide immediate feedback, so students can self-correct and practice independently. AI works as scaffolding, similar to Vygotsky concept of temporary assistance from a more knowledgeable others. Tools like speech to text or text to speech guide students step by step until they become more confident and fluent. A limitation or challenge is that sometimes AI feedback may not fully capture cursor context or the natural flow of conversation. So teachers still need to guide students. Next is AI in listening activities. I will explain about how AI supports listening activities. According to Hazaime 2025, AI solutions like speech recognition system or adaptive learning technologies have been tested for the general benefit of custom-made learning material and for mimicking real-life listening scenarios. This tool can adapt to the range and level of the input language, inform the learner immediately about their result, and give multiple practice that sometimes classroom learning is out on. Listening comprehension using AI involve attempting to mimic real life situation to expose the learner to speech that is used in actual daily life. Such tools usually include capabilities such as speech recognition capability as well as the natural language processing ability to enable the learner to be able to understand spoken language, recognize the words as well as decipher the meaning of word from context. So the finding of this study is first, experimental group with AI improved significantly from 35 to 45 in listening score. Number two is control group improved only from 36 to 39. Number three is motivation also increased. Experiment group went from 34 to 45 compared to only 35 to 39 in control group. 92% of students said AI helped their listening, 94% agreed AI feedback was useful, and 19% 90% felt more confident in real world listening. Next, beginners and intermediate learners show the largest improvement because AI help fill their basic listening comprehension gaps. Next, frequency matters. Students who use AI 5 times a week reach the highest post test. So 92% of students said AI helped their listening. 94% agreed AI feedback was useful, and 90% felt more confident in real world listening. Uh, Beginners and intermediate learners showed the largest improvement because AI helped fill their basic listening comprehension gaps. Next, frequency matters. Students who use AI 5 times a week reach the highest post-test score. A limitation or challenge is that many AI applications still use script audio, so they cannot perfectly mimic interruption, background noise, or informal speak found in real-life communication. Uh, Now let's look at how this works in practice. First, speaking demo. Speaking demo, so an AI chat box like Duolingo speaking practice or ChatGPT. Example, student types or speaks, I want to check in for 3 nights, and the AI replies like hotel receptionist. Listening demo, number two, so app like Elsa Speak or Speech Notes AI. Example, play a native speaker audio, then the app provides instant feedback on comprehension or pronunciation. Next, support and challenge. Next slide. So the supports for learners. First, personalized learning materials adapt to CEFR levels. Next, increase motivation and engagement among students. The number three, instant feedback helps learner self-correct. Number four, most effective for beginners and intermediates. The last one is close to real world context, different accent, idioms, or speed. And for the challenge of listening activities with AI is the first, many tools still rely on script audio, not authentic, noisy conversation. Number two is digital divide, unequal access to internet or devices, especially in rural areas. Number three is teachers are not fully prepared to integrate AI into teaching. And the last one is short intervention period may not show long-term effect. So uh, the challenge for speaking, sometimes feedback miss cultural context or natural flow of speech. Next, technical problems like internet connectivity, low digital literacy. Student abilities vary, not all can follow AI tasks equally, and last is limited classroom time for AI activity. And the challenge for listening is the first is many tools still rely on scripted audio. It's not authenticity, noisy conversation. Number two, digital divide, uh, unequal access to internet or device, especially in rural areas. So to conclude, AI plays an important role in improving English language learning, especially in listening and speaking skills. We have explained how AI supports speaking by providing personalized practice, scaffolding, and immediate feedback, and how AI enhances listening by simulating real-world scenarios. increasing motivation and adapting to learner levels. Next, I want to give it back to Ita. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dika, for for explaining about material about the personalized AI in listening and speaking activities. Thank you for delivering about this material. So I will give a conclusion about our material today. So the conclusion is to conclude this material, AI plays crucial role in changing English language learning, particularly in personalized English learning with AI. And so we have explained how adaptive learning platforms, AI tutors, and personalized feedback system and can significantly accelerate language acquisition and mastery. So that's all for me for group 2. I hope you who watch this video satisfied with our materials. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.